Hello and welcome back to Eagles FS. So this is our trade recap on our swing trade that we took on Euro USD and Euro JPY. So but before we go there, I dropped a video on my weekly forex analysis. That was on the 5th of January. Today is 11th of January 2025. So in that my video, I explained that the time I dropped that video, price was at this zone. Price was at exactly this zone. 5th January on Sunday. And I said in my video that we should be patient enough to allow price to come up to the premium zone before we sell. Now we will not take ourselves from any of the institutional reference points when we see a change of character in 15 minutes. That was what I said in my video. Now listen to the clip.
Fibonacci to from swing high to swing low. Okay, and we'll sell from the premium area. In the premium area, what are the institutional reference points we have here? Let's highlight it. Number one, we even have fair value gap here. Don't forget, this one also entered into in between. This one is in between. Okay, then again, we have another one here. Look at this small one here. Another fair value gap here. We have it here. And again, we have our other block. So these are three zones that we should keep our eyes upon. Whenever price come to this zone, we will do what? We will sell. So on a 15 minutes time frame, here we begin our entries. So when we go to your 15 minutes time frame, see a change of character, we'll do what? We'll sell. And I'll be dropping these signals in my free Telegram channels. So welcome back. I believe I listened to the clip. So that clip is a warning that this price will fall whenever you get to this institutional reference point. So that's the reason you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you'll be among the first set of people that will always see my content and take advantage of my expectation on the trade movement. So when I made that call, price was at this region. So I started being patient and immediately price dropped to this institutional reference point at this other block. I moved down to 15 minutes. So let's go down to 15 minutes. Let me show you. So on a 15 minutes time frame, this is how it look on a 15 minutes time frame. So that swing you saw on a 4 hour time frame started from here. That is that retracement. This is where it started. We started moving up, creating series of higher high and higher lows, higher high and higher lows, higher high. This is not a higher low because this retracement is not complete. A complete retracement must have at least opposing candle in the direction of the price movement. This one has only two red candles. That's why when this thing happened here, I didn't consider it as a change of character. So it created a higher high. So this is our higher low. So let's keep moving. Let's keep moving so that you see it clearly. We'll keep moving. So when we get to this zone was when I started noticing something. We created this higher high here. We couldn't even created a higher high. Telling that price is becoming exhausted. Created this high and created a higher low. Price came and took out the liquidities and crashed, causing a change of character. Immediately occurs this change of character occur, I use this institutional reference point here, this breaker block. If you have not watched that video, the video is on my YouTube channel here. You will see that video. Go and watch it. Breaker block and how to use it and take your trades. So immediately price come to this zone and now put a sell here at 1.03900 region. And this sell I put it up in my community, telling my community to sell Euro USD. Let me show you. So this is my community. You can see it on 7th of January was when I acted at about 3:35 p.m. Nigerian time. I said sell Euro USD at market price, stop loss at 1.0465 region. After a few moments, the result shows. You can see it here. This is my sell at 1.03903, and price started dropping, 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 dropping. But today, price has dropped up to our, you can see it here. Let's go back to 4 hour time frame. You can see that price is currently sitting on our first take profit. So this is 4 hour time frame on Euro USD. You can see that price has hit our first take profit. Currently, we are making about, because we are still holding this trade. Currently, we are up about 100. We have gone 160 pips. Okay. Initially, our risk was about, you can see our risk was about 65 pips. That was our risk, and we have hit already. Already, we have done 177 pips. You can see it here. So this is Euro USD, and people in my community are happy because of this trade. You can see everybody is happy. People are praising. Many people have passed their profit using using this entry alone. Many has passed their profit. You can see all the trade that I dropped there. So you have not joined this our free Telegram channel, you are not doing yourself justice. Kindly find the link and join this Telegram channel, because I drop signal here once in a while. Once in a while. I drop signal once or twice every week. So this is it on Euro USD. You can see when I said that our entry has hit TP1 on Euro USD. That is it here. TP1 hit on Euro USD. Okay. So we see move, and people, you can see people comment here. So we have another entry on Euro JPY. So, but I would like you to listen to the clip on Euro JPY. Listen to the clip on Euro JPY before we proceed.